The first 72 hours after surgery are the most critical, but most patients are already at home. Complications often begin with small changes. Pain increase, wound changes, dizziness, medication confusion. These signs are often missed at home. A patient may seem stable at first, but over time, pain increases, movement decreases, and risk builds. Without monitoring, these changes go unnoticed. At Homspital, post-operative care is delivered with clinical monitoring. Our nurses assess wounds, monitor vital signs, manage medications, and detect early complications. This is not just recovery support, this is post-surgical safety at home. If you or your loved one has recently undergone surgery, do not wait for complications. To book your home assessment, contact us on WhatsApp at +971 50 594 3295